everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is showing you 3 looks to do with one palette, and the palette I'm using is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I know it's been out for like ages, but I've only just got my hands on it and I'm absolutely loving it. So I thought I'd show you 3 different looks to do using it, mainly because when you get an eyeshadow palette you maybe use like 3 or 4 of the colours, not all of them. So I tried to do 3 different looks using as many shades as possible from the palette. I've also done all my base makeup and eyebrows, lips, everything before I started filming, as it was so much easier. And obviously the focus is on my eyes rather than my face. And also for each look I used the shade Peaches and Cream from the palette as a base, and also to set any concealer in place as well. And in the last look you'll also have to excuse this eyelash, it does not want to play a game and it just looks awful. So I do apologise for that. So if you want to see this look I have on right now and the other 2, carry on watching. those are my 3 looks using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. As I said, I tried to use as many shades from the palette as possible for each of the 3 looks. So if you're getting it, you get value for money as you know how to use each of them. So you have to let me know which look is your favourite, and also if you would like me to do this with another palette, which one would you like, or anything like that. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another. Bye!